Hello guys, if you're a vegetable lover, please don't go to the next video. Watch this video to the end. Welcome back to Patience Cooking. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back. This tastes better than meat, you guys. If you're a fan of cabbage and carrot, this recipe is for you, and you can do this at home. It's very easy and it tastes like heaven, guys. So please, let's dive into making the video. This is me using a grater that I have at home. If you have a grater at home, you can use it to grate this, or you can just use a knife if you don't have this at home. But this is very nice and easy to use, guys. And I'm going to be repeating this very same process with the carrot as well. You guys, and parsley cannot be an exception from this recipe because it always gives this taste that I really like. Guys, we are going to be adding a few ingredients to our recipe, and that's 3 medium eggs, a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, salt, chili, and 1.5 spoon of oil and 1.5 spoon of flour. Then we are going to be mixing everything together. So you guys, cook this in low heat, medium heat precisely. And this is me using, I'm using 1 spoon for each size. So you put and try to flatten it so that you can get like the a round shape. You know, it's good to make it look presentable. So that's what I'm doing right now, and then I'll let it cook for like 2 minutes in medium heat, and I'll flip it. And I will repeat the process until I'm done with this, guys. You guys, make sure it's golden brown, because when it's golden brown, it means it's cooked inside as well and both outside, on both sides. Look at how it looks, guys. It looks so delicious. Guys, you must try this at home and let me know how it turned out, because I love this recipe. I so love this recipe. Guys, after making that delicious meal, we need some sauce. So in this recipe, I'm using 1 teaspoon of mayonnaise, 1.5 teaspoon of natural yogurt, and 1.5 teaspoon of soy sauce, and some a quarter teaspoon of salt. So just mix everything until it's well incorporated, as you're seeing in the video, and then serve it, guys. This looks very delicious. If you are new here, please subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, thank you. I see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.